Hello everyone, and welcome to another episode of I Kid, I Cook. It's been a while since the last episode. We've been a little busy. As you can see, I have no hair, and that's not by choice, but it is starting to come back a little bit. I got a bit of fuzz. It's been about a month and a half since I've finished chemo, so feeling a little bit better. So it's a special episode today because it is game 2 of the NBA Finals. And who's in the NBA Finals but the Raptors. So we're all excited, and we're gonna make a snack, some cookies for the game. So what we're gonna be making today are Chunky Monkey Quinoa breakfast cookies, and they're good for any time. I'm kind of missing the kid today in I Kid, I Cook. Maybe we'll surprise her with these cookies later. Found this recipe on a website somewhere, so we're gonna give it a try. Ingredients, come this way, come. Flaxseed meal, chia seeds, soy butter, wow butter, sunflower butter, quinoa flakes, oats, dates that we still have to pit, dark chocolate chips, baking powder, cinnamon, walnuts, syrup, bananas. And that kind of isn't surprising because of the monkey part. All right, so let's get started. First thing we're gonna do is create a flax egg. You measure out 1 tablespoon of the whole ground flaxseed meal. 3 tablespoons of water. While we're getting all the other ingredients together, we let it sit, and you'll see that it'll get thicker. Okay, so now we're going to preheat the oven and prepare our baking sheet. We're going to use these non-stick mats and just line the baking sheet. So we need 1/2 cup of nut butter. So you can use peanut butter, you can use almond butter. And what we're going to use is a bit of wow butter, which is soy butter, sun butter, original sunflower butter, and the no sugar added. Get a mixture of that and 1/2 cup of that. That into the bowl. Okay, so now we're going to measure out 1/4 cup of, oh my gosh, who do we have here? Oh, it's my kid, and I Kid, I Cook. You ready to do some cooking, Delane? Some baking? Sure. Well, I'm glad you're here, Delane's. You can help me make these wonderful cookies. Okay, 1/4 cup of maple syrup, and we're using Grammy and Grampy's amazing Sydenham Woods maple syrup that they make. All right, so maple syrup is in.
Can we mix?
Yeah, you can mix a little bit. Okay, so that's good for now, Delaney. Have you mashed a banana before?
No.
Okay, you need the fork, and all you do is mash it up. Yep, that's right.
Here's the beautiful mashed up banana.
So mashed banana is going in. 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract, flax egg. So 1/2 cup of oats and 1/2 cup of quinoa flakes.
And the quinoa flakes
Cup
going
of
in.
quinoa flakes. 1 teaspoon of baking powder. 1 teaspoon cinnamon. 1/4 teaspoon
of
of
salt.
sea salt. Stir that all up, Delaney. So Delaney did a good job. She already pitted the dates. We only need 2, and these are some nice, juicy, yummy looking dates. So we'll put the dates right in there. They're very sticky.
If you like to bake cookies, smash the like button. For me and my mom, we love making cookies. Yum, yum, yum. This is looking really good. It's getting to be like a cookie dough now.
How's your arm feeling?
Tired.
Okay, time for the chocolate chips. So we're using Enjoy Life dark chocolate morsels. 1/4 cup of those.
It's important to mix so the chocolate chips aren't just in one cookie. No one likes hoggers.
1/4 cup of chopped walnuts. Ready?
Mm-hmm. Last ingredient is the white chia seeds.
Yeah, we have white chia. 1 tablespoon.
Looks like a snowy day in Chiaville. It's almost ready to go onto the pan.
You've done a great job here, Delane.
So right now we're just scooping these and putting them onto our pan.
Okay, so quickly get these on. The cookies can go in. Be very careful because it's a hot, preheated oven. And if you need an adult's help, make sure to ask. I'm gonna set the timer for 16 minutes.
Okay, so the cookies are in the oven. And that means that we can have a nice drink of lemonade. I have a joke for you, Mom.
Oh, what is it?
Where does a baseball keep its lemonade?
Where?
In the pitcher.
Good one, Dee.
When you're waiting for your 16 minutes, make sure to have a good drink. You deserve it.
Okay, so the cookies are looking delicious out of the oven. We'll let them cool for a few minutes.
Okay, the cookies have cooled, and this is what they look like. They're good for dessert, a snack, or a breakfast.
Let's see. Looks yummy.
It tastes like a cross between a chocolate haystack and a chocolate chip cookie.
Yeah.
And a muffin.
Make sure to subscribe and comment in the comment section and like our videos so you can see more of I Kid, I Cook. These taste so good. This is definitely a success on I Kid, I Cook. Goodbye.
Spicy. Really mix it well.
I didn't sign off on any for allowing filming.
You're not the boss here at home.
Excuse me?
A flax egg, we'll call it. So it's an alternative to eggs. And we're just gonna, we don't need to, but we feel like it. Cold food. Looks yummy.
Ow!
You like the cookies?
They're disgusting.